Hey everybody, this is Chris Bystead here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. I've got a trailer that you're going to really think is neat, especially for those campers that want to have the feeling that it's more like a house, so to speak, in a smaller trailer. This trailer actually has an actual dining table with 4 chairs and a couple bar stools on the inside and a fireplace and a private bedroom, all kinds of awesome things for you to look at. I can't wait to show you. Come on in and let's look. As I promised, this trailer is gorgeous. So you walk up these solid steps, which is a very nice step system, especially for people who are a little bit shaky walking up and down. Little kids who tend to, fall down, or older people who have a hard time, maybe people who have some physical challenges. These are just wonderful. Everyone loves them. And you walk up these solid steps, and right on to your right, you're going to notice there's a doorway that goes to a private master bedroom. Beautiful master bedroom. You've got lighting. All the AC is ducted into that bedroom. Shirt closets, overhead cabinets, storage under the bed, plug-ins, a place for your CPAP machine. Everything that you need to have, and a walk-around bed. There's plenty of room to make the bed, get in and out of the bed. Nobody has to jump over someone else to try and get out in the middle of the night and use the restroom. This is kind of what everybody really wants. We hear it all the time, people asking for a walk-around bedroom that's private like this, and you have a beautiful one in this trailer. On the inside, you're going to notice that this one actually has a Furrion 30-inch electric fireplace. These are not just beautiful, they actually will heat and do a very nice job giving you beautiful radiant heat on those colder nights. This does have an insulated and heated underbelly and a great heater as well, so you can use this trailer in all kinds of the Northwest inclement weather. You're going to also notice that there is a wonderful entertainment system by Furrion as well. You've got your Bluetooth, DVD player, radio. It has zones for the inside and the outside speakers. That's right, you can listen to your favorite music outside when you're hanging out there and barbecuing. You've got a nice TV, and this TV will move around so you can see it from all locations. And you're going to see that it's got a really great sofa. Marine grade fabric. This fabric you can spill wine on. It's great with pets and dogs and kids and that sort of thing, but it makes out into an actual bed where you can sleep a couple people, which is great. And as I promised, look at that beautiful table. 4 chairs and an actual table. There's no booth, there's no bar. It just makes you feel like you're home. And lots of wonderful windows in here. It lets a lot of light in. Beautiful pantry, lots of space and deep space to put all of your food. Moving along to the bathroom, you're going to notice that it is a nice walk-in shower. You've got sink, medicine cabinet, plenty of room to change and do everything you need to do with the door closed. That's a novel idea, right? Especially in a trailer. That's a great thing. You also are going to see it's got a great fridge and freezer by Norcold. You've got a microwave and cook stove, 3 burners, and an oven. And lots of counter space here. It even comes with a pull-up USB and charger port. So it's out of the way when you don't need it, but if you need to pull out the Instapot, the coffee pot, a cell phone, get a quick charge to it, it's right there, conveniently located behind the faucet. Lots of storage in here. Also, you're going to notice that there's a little breakfast bar with a couple tall stools in it. So, if you got a couple people who want to just sit down and enjoy a drink, or maybe help prep and do a little cutting, or just to eat a bowl of cereal at the counter like you would at home, this trailer offers all of those things, and it's only about a 25-foot trailer. Great for a couple's trailer. I would love to have one of these, and I bet you would too. And let's go out to the front, and I'll show you a couple things on the outside real quick. So again, this Coachmen 243 RBS, what a great trailer. You're going to definitely notice that it's got a power tongue jack with the light, nice sized propane tanks, outdoor shower, it's rear backup camera prepped. It's got a beautiful awning and outdoor speakers, solid steps, a wonderful pass-through. Everything that you would really come to expect from a quality trailer by Coachmen. And these are wonderful, beautiful trailers, very well built, very good quality. They even have a little place for you to, a leash holder for your dog. They think of everything. So I would love to show you this trailer. I think you might really love it. We've got several floor plans in this brand. Surely one of them is going to be perfect for you. I would love the opportunity to get a chance to show this to you. Call me. We can make an appointment or we can discuss it over the phone. I would love to help you make a purchase this year and get your family camping. My name is Chris Bysted. My number is 541-636-7878.